asida leminari ba kanglo phurup singi marakta nungsi sanana lemina ba pamdaba Erang Thokhalliba Meeoi sing Faduna logi Oiba Cheirak Piba Mathou tai haina se Minister Yumnam Khemchana phongdokhrei ngasi Palace compound leba MSF DS ta Assam Rifles na sinduna Manipur gi oirakliba phiba masigi matangda prevailing trust deficit and depart towards trust building by Mr. Sandeep Chakrabarti Haiba guest lecture ki thoram ama pangthokhrei thoram maduda Assam Rifles ki Director General Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera MU gi VC Manipur ki Security Advisor Manipur ki Chief Secretary Intellectual Singh NIT NCC amadi College amadi School ki Mahirui Singh Assam Rifles ki makhok thong official singh na thoram maduda saruga ki Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana phongdok kibada kuki amadi maitai gi lanjana ki basing sing amadi tamda satuna unaba matamda karama matamda yumda hanba yagada ge haina hanglakki Erang pamdabana mayumda Hanjin haning daba Meeoi amata leite Erang asi laingana loisina bahonari adubo Erang asi loisinba pamdaba Meeoi khara leiri makhogi lusingba sing adu farga logi matugina Cheirak pigadabani haukiba kumjal sing ni kunumdoi gi megi tang ahumgi bamangda mangna RDN PR gi minister oringai matamda singda thabak yengsinaba thangji khudingi singda leklaga no majing nimita halai matamadu da kanglup amaga gi marakta nungaina da ba amadi khulai pairaga Meeoi amana satpa urakide haukiba kumjal sing ni kunumdoi gi megi tang ahumda Manipur University da India gi Vice President lakpage Imphal Airport ta thindokpa matamda Surusanpur romda Erang thole haina tonga khara sandoraki tonga aduna maram origa Imphal da yum mai thaba amadi kusukhulai paiba horakibani Erang asi laksina ba honabada Assam Rifles Central Security Force amadi State Force na asoba thongdang lawkibagi da maksi minister na thagatpa phongdokki
Somebody is there. शांति लाना नहीं चाहता है. Somebody is there. We have to identify them. इनको ठीक करना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि कॉमन पीपल्स दे ऑल वांट पीस. हम कांगपू भी चले जाते हैं, हम कहीं चले जाता है इस ये आपकी थवाई कुकी चले जाते हैं तो सबसे मिले. Each and everyone they like peace, to restore peace. इनकी अपने बच्चों की भविष्य के लिए इनको शादी चाहिए. तो और to restore peace मैं state police, Assam Rifles and all the security forces में बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा इसलिए कि during the crisis बहुत मैतेई ने बहुत कुकी को बचाया and at the same time बहुत कुकी लोगों ने भी बहुत मैतेई को बचाया.
However, the true bridge across the divide have to be built by the citizens of Manipur themselves through dialogue over confrontation, understanding over suspicion, and shared hope over historic grievances. Peace cannot alone be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding, and I quote, as I quoted earlier, Albert Einstein, that the best way to find out if you can trust somebody is to trust them. I heard a Naga poet, a Nangami poet, who's no more, he said, to end a conflict, somebody has to lower the spear. Now, who will lower the spear? This is the question which the people have to answer.